We often take our senses for granted. Sight, hearing, touch, taste, and smell are the windows through which we experience the world. But what if I told you there's more? What if our perception extends beyond these five senses? Welcome to the fascinating realm of human perception, where we delve into the extraordinary capabilities of our senses and explore the enigmatic sixth sense, intuition. Our senses are not merely passive receptors of information, they are active interpreters, shaping our reality and influencing our emotions, thoughts, and actions. By understanding how our senses work and how to enhance them, we can unlock a richer, more vibrant experience of life. Join me as we embark on a journey to awaken our senses and expand our perceptual horizons. This exploration goes beyond the familiar five senses. We'll uncover the mysteries of intuition, a realm often shrouded in mystery and intrigue. Get ready to challenge your preconceived notions about perception and embark on a transformative journey to enhance your sensory awareness.
Sight, often considered our dominant sense, paints the world around us in a tapestry of colors, shapes, and movements. But are we truly seeing all that we can? Enhancing our sight involves more than just 20/20 vision. It's about cultivating visual awareness and perception. Start by paying attention to details. Observe the intricate patterns in nature, the subtle nuances in a work of art, or the fleeting expressions on people's faces. Engage in activities that challenge your visual perception, such as puzzles, mazes, or drawing. These exercises train your brain to process visual information more effectively. Another powerful technique is to practice mindfulness while you look. Instead of passively glancing at your surroundings, take the time to truly see them. Notice the play of light and shadow, the textures and contours of objects, and the vibrant hues that surround you. By being present in the moment and observing with intention, you'll be amazed at how much more you perceive.
Hearing, like sight, is a fundamental sense that connects us to the world. It's through sound that we experience the beauty of music, the power of language, and the comforting sounds of nature. However, effective listening goes beyond simply perceiving sound waves. It requires active engagement and attention. One way to improve your hearing is to practice active listening. When engaging in conversations, focus intently on the speaker's words, tone of voice, and body language. Avoid interrupting or letting your mind wander. Instead, listen with the intention of truly understanding their perspective. Another valuable technique is to develop your ability to distinguish between different sound frequencies. Listen to a variety of music genres, paying attention to the high-pitched melodies, the low-pitched bass lines, and the intricate harmonies in between. You can also try sound meditation, focusing on the subtle sounds in your environment, such as the chirping of birds, the rustling of leaves, or the hum of traffic.
The power of touch. Unveiling tactile sensitivity. Touch is a powerful sense that evokes a wide range of emotions, from comfort and security to excitement and pleasure. It's through touch that we experience the softness of a loved one's embrace, the warmth of the sun on our skin, and the intricate textures of the world around us. To enhance your sense of touch, engage in activities that stimulate your tactile receptors. Experiment with different textures, such as soft fabrics, rough stones, or smooth glass. Pay attention to the sensations you experience, noticing the subtle differences in temperature, pressure, and texture. Another way to heighten tactile sensitivity is to practice mindfulness while you touch. When you hold an object, take the time to truly feel its weight, temperature, and texture. Notice the sensations in your fingertips as you explore its contours. By being present in the moment and paying attention to the nuances of touch, you can deepen your connection to the physical world.
A symphony of flavors elevating taste perception. Taste is a sensory experience that tantalizes our taste buds and adds flavor to our lives. From the sweetness of ripe fruit to the savory flavors of a gourmet meal, our sense of taste allows us to savor the culinary delights of the world. To enhance your taste perception, practice mindful eating. Slow down and savor each bite, paying attention to the flavors, textures, and aromas of your food. Chew your food thoroughly, allowing your taste buds to fully experience the complexity of flavors. Another way to elevate your culinary experiences is to experiment with different spices and herbs. Spices and herbs not only add depth and complexity to your dishes, but also offer a range of health benefits. Explore different flavor profiles, from the warmth of cinnamon to the refreshing zest of lemon, and discover new culinary adventures.
The essence of memory, the allure of smell. Smell, often considered the most evocative of our senses, has a profound impact on our emotions and memories. A whiff of freshly baked bread can transport us back to childhood kitchens, while the scent of a familiar perfume can evoke cherished memories. To develop a keen sense of smell, make a conscious effort to notice the scents around you. Pay attention to the aromas of flowers, trees, and freshly cut grass. Inhale the scents of spices, herbs, and essential oils. The more you engage your sense of smell, the more attuned you'll become to the subtle nuances of different aromas. Another way to enhance your sense of smell is to incorporate aromatherapy into your daily routine. Essential oils derived from plants offer a range of therapeutic benefits. Lavender oil, for example, is known for its calming properties, while peppermint oil can help to improve focus and concentration.
Beyond the Veil. Exploring the sixth sense. Intuition, often referred to as the sixth sense, is a realm of perception that goes beyond our 5 physical senses. It's a deep knowing, a gut feeling, or a hunch that guides us in ways we may not fully understand. While intuition can seem mysterious, it's a skill that can be cultivated and honed. One way to tap into your intuition is to practice mindfulness and meditation. These practices help to quiet the mind chatter and create space for inner wisdom to emerge. Pay attention to your dreams, as they can often provide valuable insights and guidance from your subconscious mind. Another way to develop your intuition is to trust your gut feelings. If something feels off or you get a strong sense that a particular path is right or wrong, pay attention. Your intuition is often trying to guide you towards what's best for you, even if you don't have all the logical reasons to support